Hi guys, so it's now week 9 of learning knife throwing in lockdown and learnt a lot over the last few weeks. You've probably seen some of the other videos, so I've done videos on how to, I've done videos that are reviews for different types of knives that I've tried, and I've also done videos of trick shots, and last week trying some different throws. This week I'm going to go for accuracy, so I'm going to be trying to first of all get a knife through a little 4-inch hoop and straight into the centre of the board. Let's see how it works. That's what I've been waiting for.